Welcome to our second annual Juneteenth Black Excellence Gala. Woohoo! I'm happy to see the community, the students, everybody coming out to celebrate this wonderful milestone that we celebrated emancipation and freedom and unity and just embracing everybody. So we have a lot of entertainment here tonight. We have an amazing 360 booth. We have drummers who are going to be here to create that cultural vibe. We have community members coming in. We have groups that are doing services to Black youth.
Hi, my name is Ferris.
Hi, my name is Kira, and we're students from Bear Creek Secondary School.
Me and my fellow classmates decided to put together a dance for Juneteenth.
Tonight, I have created a poem to talk about Black beauty standards, and I created it in my Challenge and Change Society class. My message for the poem was to bring Black beauty standards to light.
My name is Jeremiah, and I'm a grade 11 student from Nautilus Saga Pines. Tonight I'll be involved in the fashion show. I help pick out the clothes, the songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing the dances, some of the food from different cultures as well. Tonight is important to learn about other people's cultures, and it's important to be able to showcase the diversity in Simcoe County that we have.
We're celebrating freedom, we're celebrating cultural love, we're celebrating community, we're celebrating the kids' excellence. They have worked really hard. They're now graduating, and we just want to make sure that they feel loved and know that we are behind them even after high school.
Stay connected with us. For the latest news, information, and videos from across the SCDSB, follow us on social media.